welcome back to the Auto Flow. Today, we're diving into something truly special at the all-new 2025 Volvo Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling 5-star suite designed for the road. If you're someone who dreams of taking your lifestyle wherever you go, this motorhome might just be your next obsession. From the moment you see the 2025 Volvo Motorhome, its presence is unmistakable. Built on Volvo's robust chassis, the motorhome combines the brand's signature Scandinavian design with cutting-edge travel luxury. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic body painted in a deep metallic red, complemented by chrome accents and Volvo's iconic front grille. It looks more like a futuristic tour bus than a traditional camper, and that's exactly the point. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that rivals most high-end apartments. The cabin features handcrafted leather seating, real wood finishes, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The front dashboard is entirely digital, with a massive touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment to vehicle diagnostics. The captain's chairs are not only heated and ventilated, but they also rotate to become part of the living area when the vehicle is stationary. Speaking of the living space, it's nothing short of spectacular. You've got a full lounge area with a reclining sofa, a retractable 4K smart TV, and built-in surround sound. The kitchen is equipped with premium appliances including a 2-burner induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, a full-sized refrigerator, and even a hidden dishwasher. The countertops are stone composite, giving the space a clean, modern look that's also built to handle life on the road. The bedroom is equally luxurious with a queen-sized memory foam bed, built-in wardrobes, and soft, dimmable lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere at night. There's even a skylight above the bed, perfect for stargazing. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, backlit mirror, and full ceramic toilet, all enclosed in a surprisingly spacious layout. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric system that offers impressive torque and fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. It's also equipped with advanced driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a full 360-degree camera system, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver for such a large machine. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Volvo Luxury Motorhome starts at around $450,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $600,000 depending on customization. That's a serious investment, but for those looking to travel in style and comfort with all the modern conveniences, it's hard to find a better option. If you're considering making the open road your next home or just want to experience the ultimate in mobile luxury, this is one vehicle that demands your attention. Thanks for watching the Auto Flow. See you in the next video.